Let's get ready together and do a very simple 10-minute makeup look. I had a very busy time last week, so I had to do my makeup real quick, but I still always want to look cute. So I'm going to show you this makeup routine. It works every single time and it's just so pretty for every day whenever you're really in a rush. So I'm going to try to keep it real time with minimal cuts, so you can see that it really is 10 minutes. I might be a little bit more quiet, but I will always leave it on the screen what I'm using and also down below, so you can follow along and we can get ready together in 10 minutes. Adding back some color. I used to do those makeup videos that I was really completely quiet and it would just be the makeup. So I think sometimes I really feel like doing that. But of course I also love chatting with you guys. I am getting more used to the camera as well, so it's becoming easier for me to talk in front of the camera, which I really love, because that's of course my goal, to be as real as possible and that everything goes really easy on camera, as if it's real life. I'm obsessed with this blush. It is the SAIE blush. The shade name is missing, but I just know that it's spicy. And it's really beautiful for this transition that we're going through from summer to fall. Okay, so now just a little bit of concealer. Now for some powder products, I'm gonna first do blush. I also just filmed a very detailed makeup routine. I will link it down below as well if you want to go and watch that. I talk through every single step that I do. Sometimes I feel like I just skip that in my normal get ready with me. So if you want to know in more details, then go and watch that. I forgot to do my brows, so I'm just gonna clean them with a Q-tip. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my brow gel. Gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna first do a lip stain. And then I'm gonna go over it with this liner from RHODE. Topping up with some lip gloss. And I'm almost done. And that's it for this makeup look. Really easy for every day, for when you're really in rush and you still want to look put together and cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.